Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.